新年の挨拶 New Year Greetings Happy New Year everyone! It's Mihoko, the Matcha Samurai. Welcome to my Japanese dojo. 私の日本語道場へようこそ。Today, let me show you two essential Japanese greetings for celebrating the new year. You know what? People in Japan celebrate the new year for a week at least. Usually until January 7th around Tokyo. So you used to have lots of occasions to use these greetings, which I'm gonna show you today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you hadn't done it last year. More lessons are coming this year. Okay then, let's get started. では始めましょう。A typical New Year greetings is like this. 明けましておめでとうございます。今年もよろしくお願いいたします。Okay, let me explain the details more. 明けましておめでとうございます。The literal meaning of 明けましておめでとうございます is The new year has begun. Let's celebrate. This greeting is close to a happy new year, but 明けましておめでとうございます can only be said after the new year has started. That's why we use this greeting 良いお年を in December, which I showed you from the last video. We say 良いお年を in December as Happy New Year. More precisely, the end of December. 今年もよろしくお願いいたします。This one is another unique Japanese greetings. There is no same English equivalent, but the nuance is like Thank you for everything last year. Best wishes for this year. Let's make this year a great one. Let's keep our great relationship this year. You cannot use this greeting 明けましておめでとうございます before New Year's Day. But you can use it at least until January 7th. In some areas of Japan, people celebrate the New Year longer. For instance, people celebrate until January 15th around Osaka. Meanwhile, you can use this greeting 今年もよろしくお願いいたします longer than that. Especially when you meet someone or greet someone for the first time of the year. You can use these two greetings as I said, and then after January 8th or 16th, you can skip 明けましておめでとうございます。他にも違った方法での新年のご挨拶がありますが、今日ご紹介したものが一番一般的です。 There are plenty more ways to wish someone a Happy New Year, but these expressions you've just learned today are the most common greetings for New Year. ぜひ使ってみてください。Please use them. これらの挨拶は日本でもしくは日本の方々に対して少なくとも1月7日までは使えることをお忘れなく。Remember, you can use them in Japan or for Japanese people, at least until January 7th. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and listening. If you liked this video, please give me a big like. 今年もよろしくお願いいたします。See you soon, everyone. Bye. またすぐにお会いしましょう。